Welcome to the Mr. Lockster. I got my next project under this tarp, a 1982 Yamaha YICS 550. I got for a good trade, don't mind the moon. Traded my Jimmy out for her. This is a little dirty, but I'll get it cleaned up. So I'm going to take the tank off. There's a whirring mess under this thing, and I believe my carbs are kind of jacked. So here we got it. I got a vacuum hose. That's the gas line. Not really sure where this thing goes. All 4 throttles seem to work. My choke is not connected, but it all works. Okay, so yep, all 4 chokes work. That's good. This, I have no idea. Doesn't seem like I'm getting any flow. What is this tangled up mess? Some makeshift starter, blinker control box. Is definitely a nest. So I'm going to go ahead and tear all this down, clean it up, find out where everything goes. Looked like there was some kind of starter switch. So these cables I had to jump start with a toggle. So I'm just going to move that out of the way so it's easier for me to jump start myself. Probably just hook it up to my truck. So we'll just get those out of the way. And on to the next step. No spark. Update on my mess is I now got spark. I'm gonna put a toggle to kill it for now. I'm sure that there's something fudging chopped up in here somewhere. I'm sure there's something chopped up in there. Found the main ground for the computer. Key turns the lights on and off, so no brake lights, so I'm gonna have to use my signals, no driving at night kind of thing until I get all that figured out. So, falling over. I'm gonna put in this toggle switch if it works, and maybe put some gas in a spray can and try it out. So, alright, so we got an update. As you can see now, I got all my wire harnesses up there nice. This turns it on and off. So there's probably something along the line that got cut, but I hooked up a gas tank right here, and before I know it, gas is just flowing out of this thing, so I'm gonna tear this down. But after I took it off real quick, drained the gas back out of the tank, I decided to hit the jumper. What I did is have my power here right off the coil, and negative up here for my jump. Made sure this was the right way. And then just brace these two together for the jump. Something in here must be wrong, so that's how I'm going to start it for now. And it said, it sounded nice, so I'm going to tear these down, clean them out, make sure the bowls work, and put them back on. But alright, at this point I got the carbs off. I'm going to take this plate off here, clean out the bottom parts of the floats, and probably blow out some of the lines, see if I can get air through them all, and then reassemble. And just try to leave everything as is, and hope for the best. So I took the carbs apart, put them all back together. You get a lot of pull, I think they just need to be worked in. But I do got oh yeah.
Alright, so there you have it, my 1982 Yamaha 550. First day working on it, got it to start. So make sure you like, subscribe, share my channel, hit that notification bell if you want to see more episodes of this. Loxton out.